Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to solve problems using Pythagoras' theorem. This question combines algebra together with Pythagoras theorem. So we are given that we have a right-angled triangle, triangle ABC, and certain dimensions are given in algebraic expressions. So we have to form an equation in X and then show that the equation can be simplified to this given equation. So to do that, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. We can see that the AC squared, which is the hypotenuse squared, is actually equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So AC squared is actually 9x minus 2 whole thing bracket squared. AB squared is 2x plus 1 bracket squared. And BC squared is 8x bracket squared. Okay, notice that we have to square the entire expression over here. So if you look at the first one, 9x minus 2 bracket squared, this is, if you recall, alright, let me write at the side, is our a minus b bracket squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, the special algebraic identities. Okay, so to expand that, you will have to square your 9x, which is your a squared, minus 2 times 9x times 2, then plus 2 squared. Okay, where your 9x is the a and the 2 is the b. So similarly, if you recall, right, the other special algebraic identity is a plus b whole thing squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this means that in the second expression, 2x plus 1 whole thing squared, we have 2x bracket squared plus 2 times of 2x times 1 plus 1 squared, right? And after this, if you look at the last part, okay, you will see that you just have 8x bracket squared. So 8x bracket squared, you square the 8, which is 64, and you square the x, you get x squared. So now let's try to simplify this expression first. 9x bracket squared is 81x squared minus 2 times 9x times 2, which is, if you check with your calculator or you do mental calculations, you will be able to get 36 times x, then plus 2 squared, which is 4. Here on the right hand side, we have 2x bracket squared, which is 4x squared, plus 2 times 2x times 1, which is 4x, then plus 1 squared, which is just 1, plus 64x squared. So on the right hand side, if you simplify, you will have 68x squared. Collect the like terms together, plus 4x plus 1. On the left hand side, there is nothing that you can collect together because there are no like terms. So now let's subtract 68x squared on both sides. So 81 take away 68x squared, I'm left with 13x squared. Now I subtract the 4x on both sides, negative 36x minus another 4x will be negative 40x. Then I subtract 1 on both sides, 4 minus 1, I will be left with 3. So on my right hand side, I'm left with 0. And we can see that this equation that we have obtained is the one that we are supposed to get. So we have shown it. Alright, so that's how you do part A. In part B, we need to solve this equation. To solve this equation, if you remember, to solve quadratic equations, okay, we can do it by trying to factorize our expression using the multiplication frame, or some of you use cross method. So if you do that, I believe you will get something like this. Whether you use multiplication frame or cross method, okay, you will be able to get 13x minus 1 times x minus 3 to give you back your 13x squared minus 4x plus 3. So to solve this, 13x minus 1 would be equal to 0, or x minus 3 would be equal to 0. So here I have 13x equals to 1, so x is 1 over 13, or I have x equals to 3. So these are the two possible answers that we can get. And the last part says we need to explain, okay, explain why one of the solutions is not applicable. So if we look back at this question, we will see that if x is equal to 3, okay, we substitute inside here, we have 9 times 3, which is 27, minus 2, you can get a positive number. 8 times 3, we can also get a positive number. 2 times 3 plus 1, we can also get a positive number. So x equals to 3 is indeed a possible answer. What about considering now, okay, if let's say I were to substitute x equal to 1 over 13, the other answer, right? So if I do that, right, I will have 9 times 1 over 13, which is 9 over 13 minus 2. I'm going to get a negative value for the length of AC, which does not make sense, right? So therefore, 1 over 13 is not a possible answer. Okay, so I can write down the explanation as follows. Okay, when x equals to 1 over 13, 9x minus 2, okay, will be equal to 9 times 1 over 13 minus 2, which is 9 over 13 minus 2, which is going to be a negative value, right? It's less than 0, which then implies that AC is less than 0, which is not possible, right? Hence, x cannot be equal to 1 over 13. Okay, so that's how you explain why one of the answers are not possible.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.